So this is video CL799. This will show you how to, in basic form, use the machine. So once you've loaded your till roll, programmed your machine and done the initialization, then you're now ready to use the machine. So once positioning your counter, simply use one of the keys. Each one of these keys are lettered and will go to certain positions. So some will go to certain positions, others will go around to programming. So if you've got staff in, it allows you to use certain keys to go around to certain positions. Simply place your key in and turn it to the reg mode. So this reg mode is for general registration during the day. So you're now ready to use it. It's loaded up the program, as you can see here, and you can simply tear this receipt off and we're now ready to use. So the most important thing is that the initialisation for the UK that you've already done sets it up for use in this country. So therefore you don't need to add the decimal point in, and it's all ready for the rounding up, which is correct for the UK. So to use the machine, simply put an amount that the first product is, in this case £1.99, and we enter it into one of the categories that we've set up. You can use them default, but obviously the text will be personalised to yourself. So we'll choose fresh for this one, then perhaps £9.95 into confectionery, and then £4.78 to grocery. So you can see that we build up our sale based on the items being put in front of us. Once we finish with all that, or once we finish with the sale, we simply press the subtotal button, and this shows the subtotal of the sale being £16.72. We can now announce this to the customer as £16.72 total, and now the next option we have is to enter the amount of money that they've given us. So the till has different methods of payment, which is card, cheque and cash, which will be found here. So if the customer, for example, gives us £20 in cash, we simply enter 2000, which will show the 20. As you can see, no need to use the decimal point because the machine's already been initialised and set up for the UK. And then we simply press the cash button. The drawer will open and the display will show change, which is £3.28. The till receipt prints out. Again, our other videos do show how to turn this receipt off if you don't want it, and post receipt issue. But this is basic use of the machine. Now if a customer wants to pay by credit card, it's exactly the same procedure. So £9.95 into confectionery, press the subtotal, and then because obviously we put the card amount through for the exact amount rather than giving change, we simply just press the card. Drawer opens, allowing you to put the slip into it, and again the till roll is printed out. Then each one of these transactions for the reports at the end of the day will break each sale into each category and also how it was paid for. So for example, if you've pressed the card button throughout the day, then when you do your report on your credit card machine, obviously the card total should match what's on your credit card machine, as should the cash that's in your drawer. Thank you for watching this video.